Hi children, good morning. Hope everyone did your post-midterm 2 exam well. Today we are in lesson number 11 Geography, Life in the Temperate Regions. Okay, in this lesson we are going to see about grasslands. Okay, first of all we are going to see about temperate grassland which lies between 23.5 degree north of Tropic of Cancer and 23.5 degree south of Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, two types of grasslands are there, children. One is the prairies of North America, another one is the wilds of South Africa. Now we are going to see about prairies of North America in detail. The temperate grasslands of North America are known as prairies. Okay, these prairies are located in Canada and in the USA. It stretches between 40-degree north and 55-degree north. Okay, then it's spread over parts of Canada and USA. From north to south, extent is about 6,000 kilometer, and from east to west, extent is about 2,000 kilometer. Okay, then the best soils of the world, genozymes, we can found in the prairies. The Arctic Ocean lies to the north of the prairies, and Gulf of Mexico is in the southern part of the prairies. Then the prairies are drained by which river? Yes, Mississippi River and the tributary rivers. Climate, children. Here the winters are extremely cold with minus 20 degrees Celsius, and summers are hot, that is 21 degrees Celsius alone. Okay, then the rainfall is moderate. Okay, about 50 centimeter. Okay, then Chinook, already we read about Chinook. So this Chinook is the local hot wind which blows down the eastern slope of the Rocky Mountain. This Chinook is responsible for the rise in winter temperature. At sometimes the temperature drops down to 34 degrees Celsius too. Then the prayer is covered with snow. The next one is natural vegetation, children. Here the natural vegetation is dominant because of grasses. Okay, here the growth is depend on which vein? Depend on rainfall. The roots of the grasses are shallow, so it cannot reach up to the groundwater. Then willow and poplar trees we can find here. Then wildlife, children. Here we can find gophers, rattlesnakes, rabbits, jackals like that. American bison also we can find here. Here these wildlife roaming all over the grassland. Nowadays, because of hunting and poaching, the numbers of wildlife reduced. Because of which one? Because of hunting and poaching. People, children. Here, the main important occupation of the people is agriculture. Okay, then here the important crop of this area is wheat. They grow oats, barley, corn, oil seeds like that. But the important crop here is wheat. Okay, and then the farmers they are using big machineries, combine harvester they are using. Then spring season, it is the best season to grow wheat in Canada. So the wheat is termed as winter wheat. Along with the agriculture, they make cattle rearing too. It is also one of the important thing here. Fodder crops like alfalfa is grown here. Then now we move to the next topic called the wells of South Africa. Well means what? Yes, well means field in Dutch word. Okay, it lies in the southern hemisphere between 25 degrees Celsius and 37 degrees Celsius. And then it is located in the eastern part of which one of South Africa between 1,000 meter and 2,000 meter. Then here the desert is Kalahari Desert, which is in northwest. Then which hill is here? Yes, Witwater Strand. Witwater Strand. It run across which one? Across the veld. Veld means already told you field. Okay, and the entire region is drained by two rivers. What are the rivers? Yes, Limpopo River and Orange River. Okay, these are the two rivers. The next one is climate children. This wills of South Africa surrounded by oceans on three sides. So that's why here they have moderate climate. They have moderate climate. The temperature ranges between 5 to 15 degrees Celsius in winter. Okay, from July, cold month starts. Okay, and during summer, the temperature goes up to how many degrees Celsius? 20 degree Celsius. The summers are warm and wet, but the winters are cool and dry. How the summers are warm and wet, but what about the winter? Winters are cool and dry. Then at winter time, this area remains dry with occasional frost. Then wildlife children. We can find lion, giraffe, antelope, bugs, cheetah, and so many animals in this world. Okay, because of hunting and poaching, what happened to the animals? The animals have reduced. Okay, both in the prairies of North America and the wilds of South Africa, the animals are reduced because of which way? Because of poaching and hunting. So that's why the government set up various policies to protect these species. Then people children. Here the important occupation of the people is sheep and cattle rearing. Okay, milk and milk products are very famous because the main occupation here is cattle rearing. Then the wells, this place very rich in minerals like diamond, coal, iron, uranium, like that. Okay, and then apart from cattle rearing, mining is also an important activity of this region. And in Johannesburg, it is known as gold capital. Johannesburg is known as what children? Gold capital. Then there are some diamond mines in Kimberley. In Kimberley. Okay, children, just take a book and read lesson number 11. Read the content, children. Thank you. Be safe at home.